drifting off the trail. 1,000 paths beyond the silver rail. Don't wait for permission, don't wait for a sign. The power to move is yours and mine. Write down the mission, engrave it in stone. True strength is built in the seeds we've sown. Yeah. Hear the pulse, the mechanical beat, lifting the world right off its feet. Higher than doubt, above the gray, we're making the moves that define the day. Be brave, be strong, watch the world expand. Hold the future in the palm of your hand. Set the target, take the stride, with nothing to fear, nothing to prove. Look at the richness of where we stand, the beauty of life, the grace of the land. Rising up, wide and free. It's easy to settle, it's harder to climb. But greatness is found one step at a time. Every ridge is a lesson, every valley a gift. When the mind is ready, the spirit will shift. Be the driver, not just a guest. Put your heart and your will to the ultimate test. Pause for a second, look at the view. Everything old can be made brand new. Appreciate the struggle, the win and the light. Everything shines from this glorious